Hiro-san,
Yes.
we're here. This is my favorite Vietnamese restaurant.
Me too.
You too, right? Located in North Miami. If you guys are ever here, it's called Pho Me To Go. Guys, check them out. Right off of West Dixie. Anyway, we're going to be headed over to True World again to pick up something interesting. We did this last time. Wanted to do it again. So, should we just leave it as a surprise? Well, they probably saw from the title already what it is. But anyway, let's take a look. All right.
Shrimp and pork summer rolls.
Shrimp and pork summer roll. Take a look at this. Oh yeah. Food here is so fresh. And we also have the pho coming. That's gonna be good. And check out this. This is their lemongrass tea. Another favorite of ours. Really good. Peanut, and they have that like a sambal, right?
Sambal too.
The meatball pho.
All right, here we go.
And the
Combo Pho.
This is a nice one.
Gonna pick up one of my favorite things, Hiro.
This is coming from Japan.
All the way from Japan.
Yes. I just got the phone call a few days ago. It's gonna be coming, you know.
They're sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna wake them up.
See that?
Oh, can we keep one as a pet? What do you think?
Yeah.
They're okay, right?
Some is activity one, you know, active one. You should.
Keep, right?
Yeah,
keep
keep
one.
it.
Oh, okay. We're gonna eat them, or we're gonna keep some as a pet. What do you say?
Yeah, I see a lot of people actually after I got this one,
Yeah.
like that, then keep as pet.
Keep as pet, right? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I have to take at least one or two home. That's
We
what
are
my
going
house.
back to Colorado River to back to the river.
Okay. Yeah, she says some of them, they're probably sleeping right now. They don't come on ice,
Yeah.
just so they don't actually die. It's
Yeah.
going to be too cold for them. Take a look again.
Sawagani. Oh, it's a lot of
A lot of, right?
crabs inside.
A lot of little crabs are really cute.
Yeah. So take back and then we're gonna put it off. We can off from the package, you know.
Right, right.
So let's see.
Okay. You saw from the previous video, these have to be cooked all the way through. They do, and may have parasites in them. So when you bought it here, you had to sign a piece of paper
Yes.
saying you're not going to serve them raw. Hiro-san, what are we doing today?
So I'm gonna do. It's more simple. Just fried up crabs and then put the rice salt. And one is this, and another one is I'm gonna make roll sushi.
Okay. All right, very, very simple, right? Okay, what are the ingredients? Let's talk about that, right?
Of course, the sawagani, and I'm gonna use this one. It's called hot black lava salt from Hawaii,
Okay.
and I'm gonna use scallion. This one I just use on a decoration. That's a Himalayan salt rock
Okay.
salt, and then I'm gonna use sushi rice.
All right.
Yes,
There we
and
go.
of course I'm gonna use the sushi nori also.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all the ingredients.
All right. Well,
Yes.
let's first start. We got to wash these, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put back
Okay.
this one into this container.
Take a look at this. All the way from Japan. These
Yes.
are basically freshwater crabs.
Yes.
Japanese version of the soft shell crab. We had them in another episode. They're actually kind of crunchy, more harder than the American version of the soft shell crab.
Yeah. So then we're gonna keep it just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, after a while. So first I'm gonna do quick strain out. So I'm gonna fry it up to 15 to 20 pieces of crabs first.
Okay. Just throw them in the oil. That's it.
Yeah, this one going to the oil straight.
Okay.
Just to make sure fully cook all the way. Yeah. Yes. Just gonna put this one nice way. Just bottom like that. And then next one is I just gonna use Himalayan rock salt. Next one is rolled sushi. So this crabs are already salted, and then since this crab is very crunchy, so I want to try to same as like treat as like a salmon skin roll. So I want to put this one inside of the roll with scallion.
Okay,
yes,
sounds great. And some
let's try
fresh sushi rice. What can be better than that?
Yes, this one is Niigata rice. This is also from Japan.
Okay.
You just can quick.
It's from your friend in Hawaii, right here?
Yes, it's a real rice from Japan.
Oh wow, some of the best.
So today's roll is inside out. So I'm gonna put the rice on the outside. Sesame seeds. Okay, and then put this one here and try crabs.
This is easier than your last recipe, Hiro. They're not running away from you.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Previous videos are very dry.
Yeah, it was kind of tough. Kind
crab
of interesting.
try to escape, you know.
Yeah. It's much easier to work with it like this. Texture is definitely harder than regular soft shell crab. Take a look at that. It's all good already.
Yes. Then now I'm going to roll it up. Put a little more scallion on the top right now. Okay, let's try.
Okay.
Hopefully everything's success. I'm gonna press a little bit, crushing, crush out, tie it up. Okay, that's good.
All right.
Looks good, looks good. Inside of the crab is a little tough. So in this case, actually I'm gonna do use another plastic and tie it up first. Then try. This is gonna be helps more easy to cut. I'm gonna cut into the 8 piece.
Came out good. All right, here you go. Finished product. Freshly fried Sawagani crabs. And here we did the same thing here. A little bit different presentation. This would be wonderful in a restaurant, you know? Serve it like this. What a visual. Incredible. Hiro. Wow, I can't wait to try these rolls.
Wow. And
that live crab. Got more in the background there. They may be saved as your pet. Possibly, right? We'll see. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Tell us if you've had this before. And which dish you prefer, this one or the last one that we did a while back? San, thank you so much.
Right, thank you.
All right, one last look before we dive into this delicious looking sushi roll with these. Whoop.
Still right.
No, hope so. Hope not. I'm sorry. Hope it's not alive. Sawagani crabs all the way from Japan. Hiro-san, enjoy.
Yes.
What are you going to do first? Which one?
You want to go roll sushi?
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, listen to that crunch.
Mm.
Have you seen this served as a sushi roll before, Hiro?
No.
No, never, right? People just fry them up like this and serves like an appetizer. Take a look inside there.
Just like salmon skin.
Like salmon skin, right?
A little bit more crunchy because of shell.
Mm. The shell's definitely hard. Mm-hmm. Mm. I really like it with the sushi rice and the scallions. Little soy sauce. I think it's really a great flavor. I think it's nice when just eating it plain because you have that the really nice sushi rice, you know. But definitely, if you don't have good teeth, I don't think this is a dish for you. Just because these crabs are really hard to shell. Still, really hard. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Try one of these. Super crunchy. This was a female. See from the bottom there. Whoops. There you go. I like it. Kind of like you get the whole crab taste. Extremely crunchy. Shell's still hard. I commonly chew ice, so I'm used to, you know. Let me take a look. I think the claws are what gives us the hard. Everything else is pretty soft. Just the claws. You like the crab by itself here?
Yeah.
Did you eat any already? The crab by itself? Okay.
Like just small legs. So crunchy.
This is like an insect at the sea. You know? Eating insects. Can we finish this off camera, Hiro? Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.